Imagine waking up one morning with the ability to play a musical instrument you've never touched before, or speaking a language you've never learned. These scenarios sound like something out of a science fiction novel, yet they provide a window into the fascinating world of neuroscience. Neuroscience is the scientific study of the nervous system, a complex network that dictates everything from our breathing to our emotions. It's a field that not only unravels the mysteries of how we think, feel, and behave, but also holds the key to unlocking the potential of the human mind. In our daily lives, the brain functions almost invisibly, yet it is involved in every aspect of what we do and who we are. From the decisions we make at the supermarket to the memories we cherish with friends and family, neuroscience plays a fundamental role. Understanding the basics of how our brain works can enhance our appreciation of its capabilities and the ways we can improve its health and functionality. This essay aims to demystify the complexities of the brain, making neuroscience accessible and engaging for beginners. Neuroscience isn't just for scientists and researchers, it's a subject that touches the essence of our existence. By learning about the brain, we not only gain insight into ourselves but also develop a deeper understanding of others. This journey into the brain is not about becoming experts overnight, but about opening doors to a world where every thought and emotion has a scientific explanation. Let's embark on this enlightening journey, exploring key concepts and their relevance to our everyday lives, ensuring that each step is filled with discovery and wonder. Consider this. You meet someone new at a party, and the next day, you remember their name and a funny story they told. This everyday miracle is courtesy of your brain's remarkable capacity for memory. Neuroscience explains this through various mechanisms such as encoding, storage, and retrieval, processes that our brains are constantly performing. Understanding these processes can help us enhance our memory and learning skills, proving especially useful in both academic and personal settings. Memory is not just about retaining information, it's about weaving experiences into the very fabric of our brains. Each memory alters the brain's structure, creating connections that define who we are. This dynamic nature of memory is central to neuroscience. It shows us that our brains are not static organs but are continually shaped by our experiences. By grasping the basics of how memory works, we can better manage our learning habits and even improve our emotional well-being. Moreover, memory is a vivid example of how closely our brain's health is linked to our lifestyle choices. Factors such as nutrition, sleep, and stress management play crucial roles in how effectively our brains function. For instance, a well-rested brain significantly enhances memory performance compared to a sleep-deprived one. This connection between lifestyle and brain function is a key area of focus in neuroscience, offering practical advice on how to maintain and improve our cognitive abilities. Lastly, the study of memory in neuroscience not only helps us understand how to enhance it, but also how to preserve it. As we age, our cognitive functions, including memory, generally decline. Neuroscience offers insights into this process and suggests strategies to mitigate the effects of aging. By learning these strategies, we can strive to maintain a sharp and efficient brain throughout our lives, showcasing the practical benefits of understanding neuroscience. Neurons are the core components of the nervous system, often described as the building blocks of the brain. Each neuron is a specialized cell that transmits information through electrical and chemical signals. Understanding neurons is akin to learning the alphabet before reading. It's the fundamental step in understanding how the brain communicates internally and with the rest of the body. This basic knowledge helps demystify many brain functions, from simple reflexes to complex decision-making processes. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals that neurons use to communicate with each other. They cross the tiny gaps between neurons, known as synapses, to pass signals along neural pathways. Different neurotransmitters have different effects on the brain. For example, dopamine is often associated with pleasure and reward, while serotonin is linked to mood and emotion. This intricate system of chemical messaging is crucial for everything from waking up in the morning to learning new information. The interaction between neurons and neurotransmitters can explain a lot about human behavior and mental health. For instance, imbalances in certain neurotransmitters are associated with conditions such as depression and anxiety. This understanding has led to the development of medications that can help manage these conditions by targeting specific neurotransmitters, showcasing how foundational knowledge in neuroscience can lead to practical health solutions. Moreover, the study of neurons and neurotransmitters not only illuminates how the brain works, but also how it can malfunction. This knowledge is vital for developing treatments for neurological diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. By understanding the basic mechanisms of these building blocks, researchers can devise strategies to protect or repair the brain, demonstrating the critical importance of neuroscience in medicine. The brain is often compared to a complex control room, with different regions responsible for various functions. This segmentation is crucial for understanding how different parts of the brain contribute to our behavior and capabilities. For instance, the frontal lobes are associated with decision-making and problem-solving, while the hippocampus plays a key role in forming new memories. Understanding the roles of different brain regions helps explain behaviors and abilities that are distinctly human, such as language, abstract thinking, and emotional regulation. This knowledge not only satisfies curiosity, but also has practical implications, such as in education, where teaching methods can be tailored to how the brain processes and retains information. Moreover, this segmentation of the brain is crucial in medical contexts, especially in diagnosing and treating brain injuries and diseases. For example, damage to the Broca's area, located in the frontal lobe, can result in difficulties in speech production, a condition known as Broca's aphasia. Understanding the specific functions of brain regions allows for more targeted therapies and interventions, enhancing the effectiveness of treatments. Additionally, the study of the brain's regions and their functions leads to better understanding and empathy. Knowing that certain behaviors may be linked to brain function rather than personal choice can change how we interact with and support people with neurological conditions. This perspective is vital in fostering a society that is more informed and compassionate towards those experiencing these challenges. Our senses, sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell, are our windows to the world, and they all converge in the brain, creating a symphony of information that allows us to understand and interact with our environment. Neuroscience explores how sensory data are processed and integrated in the brain, providing insights into how we perceive the world. This understanding is not just academic, it has practical applications in areas like virtual reality, VR, and user interface design, where creating realistic sensory experiences is crucial. Each sense is linked to specific areas of the brain. For instance, the occipital lobe is primarily responsible for processing visual information, while the temporal lobe plays a key role in processing sounds. This specialization allows for detailed and efficient processing of sensory inputs, enabling quick and appropriate reactions to our environment. Understanding these pathways enhances our appreciation of the brain's complexity and efficiency. Moreover, the study of sensory processing has significant implications in the field of rehabilitation. For individuals who have lost a sense, such as sight or hearing, understanding how the brain processes sensory inputs can lead to the development of assistive technologies. For example, tactile systems for the visually impaired translate visual information into touch sensations, helping them navigate their environments more effectively. Furthermore, exploring how the brain integrates multiple sensory inputs into a coherent experience can also help us understand and treat sensory processing disorders. These disorders can make everyday environments overwhelming and challenging. Neuroscience provides the tools to devise strategies and therapies to assist individuals in managing their sensory inputs more effectively, improving their quality of life. Sleep is not just a period of rest for the body, but also a complex and active state for the brain. Neuroscience has illuminated much about what happens in our brains during sleep, including the fascinating world of dreams. Dreams are not just random images, they are deeply connected with our neurological functions and can provide insights into our subconscious mind. Understanding the neuroscience of sleep and dreams can enhance our understanding of our mental and emotional health. During the various stages of sleep, the brain is involved in a range of activities, from consolidating memories to processing emotions. Dreams, particularly those during the rapid eye movement (REM stage, play a role in both of these processes. For instance, it is believed that through dreams the brain sorts and stores memories and manages emotions experienced during the day. This understanding can be particularly helpful in therapeutic settings where dreams are analyzed to gain insight into a patient's subconscious thoughts and feelings. Moreover, the study of sleep has led to the development of better sleep hygiene practices and treatments for sleep disorders, such as insomnia and sleep apnea. By understanding how different brain regions are activated during sleep, scientists can create targeted therapies that enhance the quality and effectiveness of sleep, thereby improving overall health. Furthermore, the exploration of dreams in neuroscience offers a bridge between scientific understanding and cultural interpretations of dreams. By studying the neurological basis of dreams, researchers can provide a more comprehensive explanation of why we dream, adding depth to both scientific and philosophical discussions about the nature of dreaming. The insights gained from neuroscience are not confined to laboratories and academic journals. They permeate every aspect of our lives, influencing how we work, learn, and interact. Understanding the brain can lead to better educational practices, more effective therapies, and improved workplace environments. Neuroscience has practical applications that can enhance the efficiency and well-being of individuals and communities. In education, neuroscience can inform teaching methods that align with how the brain learns best. For example, the understanding that repeated retrieval of information strengthens memory can lead to teaching strategies that emphasize active recall rather than passive reading. This can make learning more effective and enjoyable for students. In the realm of mental health, neuroscience provides the basis for therapies that address the biological aspects of mental disorders. Treatments that modify neurotransmitter levels, such as antidepressants, have been developed based on our understanding of the brain's chemistry. This approach has revolutionized the treatment of disorders such as depression and anxiety, making them more manageable for millions of people. Moreover, in the workplace, knowledge of neuroscience can lead to the design of environments that enhance cognitive function and reduce stress. For instance, understanding that natural light improves mood and productivity can influence office design. Additionally, recognizing the impact of stress on brain function can lead to policies that promote work-life balance, benefiting both employees and employers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all my latest content, and it really helps support the channel.